You are welcome to this exciting new video. It is titled How to Create a YouTube Channel, or I call it How to Create a Well-Optimized YouTube Channel. Congratulations to everyone who doesn't have a YouTube channel yet, as this video would be of help. And let's say if you have a YouTube channel, you honestly need to watch this video as it will educate you. Probably what you have is a YouTube account, Gmail account, or a well optimized YouTube channel. I want you to know that there is what we call a Google account, there's what we call a YouTube account, and there is also what we call a YouTube channel. You see, a Google account is that Gmail that everyone has, or let me just say most of us have, and it is very paramount if you must have a YouTube account and a YouTube channel. So you will have a YouTube account before you have a YouTube channel. Now what we are going to do now is to launch our browser. Launch any of your browsers. Just check any of your browsers. I don't know the one you will actually be using. You could use Opera or you use Chrome. Now there's difference between Opera and Opera Mini. There's one we call Opera. It's either you use Opera, not Opera Mini or Chrome. Now for the purpose of this class, I'm actually going to be using Chrome. This is my Chrome. Now after launching the Chrome, just type there youtube.com. Can you see? Showing it already, youtube.com. Now after clicking youtube.com, let's wait for it to respond. After clicking youtube.com, it will actually show, can you see the interface? It will actually show it this way. Now when it shows it this way, now take a look at this side. Here there is either an image or a letter displaying over there. There it's either you have an image or a letter displaying. Peradventure you do not have an account already and all you have is a Gmail, only a letter would show for you. If you have an account and not yet a channel, only a letter will also display over there. Also, if you have an account, you have a channel, but not well optimized, don't be shocked that only a letter would also show for you over there. Until your channel is fully optimized, as in well optimized or set up, that's when it will show image over here, just like it's showing image. Can you see? That's the image I put there. Now what you are now going to do, now whatever you actually see there, what you are going to do is this: just click on it. Whatsoever you see there, just click on it. Now after clicking on it, I have this channel. If you look at this channel, I have these channels fully optimized 2 weeks ago. Let's just click on it. Now let me click on this side just to show you something. Now after clicking, these are the channels I have here. These are not all my channels. I have other channels, but these are the ones I have here. I have on this, I use this Gmail to open. Now the first one, can you see? This is Lawrence Videographies. We have this one. Forget about this one. Now let's look at Lawrence Telecom World. Look at this one, Lawrence YouTube Guru. This is the new one I just set up. I have my own this thing YouTube already. Now let's take a look at it. Let me just try to click on one. If you have different accounts, would you believe that it will show it this way? It will show it this way. If what you have, all these accounts, maybe you've opened, you have the different, you've opened an account unknowingly. Now probably 2 or 3, it will show everything just the way it has actually showed this. Now You see, if your own is not well optimized, it will not show picture, it will just show letter. That means you have an account, not a YouTube channel. And if it were to even be a YouTube channel, that means you have not yet well optimized it. Now what you are now going to do is just, let me just click on one of these things so that you see. Now let me click on this Lawrence Video Graphics for you to see. Now this Lawrence Video Graphics, let me check. Click on your channel. Can you see? I opened this channel 2 weeks ago. So can you see? It should show all these things. It should show this way. If it doesn't display it this way, that means you haven't created a YouTube channel. You haven't created a YouTube channel. Now let me go back. For the purpose of this class, I'm going to teach us how to go about creating our own YouTube channel. Now what are we now going to do? We are going to click on, so just like the way I said before, you are going to click on that thing, whether it is letter or anything you see there, just click on it. Once you click on it, now you want to create a channel. Just go straight to this switch account. Once you click on that switch account, it will display it this way, just the way I said it the other time. Now let's say your own doesn't show anything here. What you are just going to do, creating your own new channel, is to go to this add account. Just click on add account. Once you click on add account, it will show you the Gmail you have, or that email we call Gmail. It will show it here, the one you have. Then you click on it. Which one do you want to have? Or you've not added, or you want to add a new Gmail which you actually want to use in creating your channel. Just click on on add account to device. Now when you click on it, it will take you out and ask you to actually input your details, input the Gmail, input password and others, just the normal way of creating it. So that is how to go about that one. Now after doing it will actually display that account you've created. It will actually display it here, this side. What you are now going to do, now let me see, this is the one I just created now. Can you see it's bringing letter? This is the way it will bring it. It will bring a letter. Once you've created it, it will bring letter. That in, maybe your own name starts with Moses, it will bring M over there. So it will actually put it in form letter. Can you see this one? This is a channel, this is a channel, this is a channel. They have their own pictures already. Now let's now click on this one, which is now want to make it a channel. You've created this, we've created it already, but not yet optimized. We're not yet well optimized. It's not yet well optimized. Now after clicking on it, it will still display it this way. Now let's now click on that same letter. You will click on it after you've done it this way. Just click on it. After clicking on it, the next thing you do is to go click on your channel. Click on your channel. After clicking on your channel, can you see there is nothing here yet? So look at this Lawrence Video Graphics which I've actually written here. You can always change it. You can always change this name. You can always change anything on your YouTube. You can always change it. You can always amend so many things on your YouTube. Now to set up your YouTube channel, now you want to set it up. What you are going to do is to go to these 3 dots up here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you will see desktop site. Just click on it. Once you click on that desktop site, it will take you back. Now you will now start by clicking that letter again. This letter here, because you want to set up your YouTube channel now. You click on it. After clicking on it, go and click your channel. Click on your channel. After clicking on your channel, it will bring it this way. Now This is where the real work begins. This is where customization, setup, and even monetization begin. This is where it actually begins. The real work, what we call YouTube channel. This is where you are going to set up the YouTube channel. This is where you are going to create videos. This is where you are going to say so many things about yourself. So many things, even how they are going to view your channel. This is where you are going to set everything. If you must have a well optimized, a very good YouTube channel, this is where the real work begins. So I'm actually going to be teaching us how to get our channel customized, how to get our channel set up, how to get our channel monetized. I'm actually going to be training us on another video I'm going to be uploading. So thank you very much. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Bye for now.